Fast food doesn't have to be junk food, and when it comes to feeding your kids nutritious meals, I've got a dish for you. Today, I'm joined by Chef Herve. Pleasure to see you again.
Nice to see you again, Didi.
You know, I think we live in a society where we're on the go, 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 and we're always looking for that quick meal, and sometimes we find ourselves going through a drive-through, which is not the best thing, especially not just for ourselves, but our kids.
That's right. So today we'll make meatballs, which can be made in advance. They can also be frozen.
What are the ingredients, Chef, to make the turkey meatballs?
So we have some vegetables, so the onions, zucchini, and carrots, some breadcrumbs and some egg for binding, some salt and pepper and some garlic for flavor, a little bit of olive oil, and a fair amount of parsley for flavoring as well.
Okay, what are the first steps to get into making turkey meatballs?
We need to grate our vegetables. So we're going to use a box grater. I just do that directly on parchment. So if you have the kids involved, you can do it with them. We need half a cup of zucchini grated. So we're going to use the large hole. We'll measure half a cup of that. Now I will do the same thing with a carrot. So same thing, we're going to put it in the bowl. But the next thing, we're going to do the same thing with the onion, but we'll need only a quarter cup. And I hope I don't make you cry. Okay, we're done with the grating. So we're going to mix this, and we're going to just a rough mix, preliminary mix.
And how much turkey do you have in here, Chef?
This is a packet, so it's 20 ounces. We're going to add the rest of the ingredients, so it's pretty much dump and mix. We're going to add some breadcrumbs, some parsley, some salt and pepper. It looks like a lot. This is kosher salt, so it takes more room than regular table salt. Table salt, you would use half a tablespoon. This is kosher, we use 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of pepper. We're going to crack an egg.
Perfect.
We're going to add some olive oil to give some richness because we use ground lean turkey. And then for flavor, we're going to use some garlic, so we're going to use our press. Now we're going to mix everything together.
So we're taking a tablespoon in the palm of our hand?
Yeah, just about a tablespoon, and we roll it. And we'll put it on a parchment-lined tray. I like to bake the meatballs.
Why is that, Chef?
I find them more juicy than frying them in a pan, especially because we use ground turkey, so it's more lean than beef. So we usually serve those with marinara sauce and fresh pasta. It's delicious.
Voila, I think we're there, Chef.
Great. We're just going to bake those. They'll go in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. All right, Didi, they're done. So you see they're pretty lean, so there's no fat on the tray. So we're just going to put them in our serving dish.
And you know, the first thing that I noticed, Chef, is they're not like brown like they would be if they were in a pan.
Right. And because we're not adding any fat to it, they're going to be much leaner, so much healthier.
Wonderful. And you can serve these, as you said, with pasta, with some marinara sauce, or even just by themselves. Well, look what we have, a wonderful dish that you can do in no time at all. It's light, it's nutritious, and I know your kids are going to love it. Thank you so much, Chef.
You're welcome.